scientific standards. These standards ensure that a threaded fastener made by one manufacturer will match a threaded fastener made by another manufacturer. There are three terms commonly used when describing threads. You should be familiar with them. They are threads per inch, thread series, and pitch. Threads per inch means the number of threads that are in 1 inch of fastener length. You can usually count them. For example, the cap screw shown here has 13 threads per inch. You can also measure them with a thread gauge. Just match the threads of the fastener with the notches on the gauge. Then read the thread information shown on the gauge. The second commonly used term is thread series. Inch cap screws, bolts, studs, and nuts have two standard thread series. A unified national fine, called UNF, or fine thread, and a unified national coarse, called UNC, or coarse thread. You should also know that fine threads are sometimes called SAE threads, and coarse threads are sometimes called USS threads. Here are two 3/4 inch diameter cap screws. The one in the foreground has 10 threads per inch and is a unified national coarse or coarse thread series. The other one has 16 threads per inch and is called a unified national fine or fine thread series. Pitch is the third common term. It is used when describing metric threads. Pitch is the distance from the crest of one thread to the crest of the next thread. A metric thread gauge measures pitch. Metric cap screws, bolts, studs, and nuts come with several thread pitches. Here are 3 metric cap screws, all of the same diameter, but each with a different thread pitch. This is when it really pays to have a thread gauge.